Hello, and welcome to Behind the Boot.
We'll be having a great day wherever you are.
We have just left Manitoulin Island, and we're on a lake.
Grundy Lake.
Yeah, Grundy Lake. So we were performing at the Haw Eater weekend this weekend, and I didn't know what a Haw Eater was, and apparently it's someone who was born and raised and still lives on Manitoulin Island.
Very cool.
So also there's a Hawberry, which I was very determined to try. So they make Hawberry jelly, and the people who hired us were very nice to bring us some after the show, because it's very hard to find because it's got prickly berry bushes, so it's hard to make.
Say that 10 times fast.
Prickly berry bushes. So
We're gonna try some right now.
we're gonna try some.
We
Put them on a
little
put
bit
some.
higher.
Okay, Hawberry jelly.
Hawberry jelly.
It's good.
It's really good.
So there you go. Hawberry. Look 'em up.